Look at the dust on you, my goodness. Someone's been rolling in the litter box. Okay. All right. Here I come. Ready? Okay. Yeah. Okay. Mind the noise of my landlord belatedly snow removaling. Watch this girl. Just watch her. Ready? This is what she does. She goes down and rolls in the litter box. Come on. Come on. She comes up and tells me so I can wipe it off her. Then we get the comb out. Come on, baby. You ready? Yeah, she's ready. And I comb the rest of it out. This is how we do it. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on. She wants me up here. She has a certain ritual. Okay, here you go. That's it. That's it. Thank you. This girl. Ooh, be careful. There she goes under my legs. Back around again. Come on, baby. You didn't give me your belly yet. This part. Ooh. That's a girl. Are you done then? I see some more bits of litter. That's it. Okay. Hi. You all done?